had worked with my client Melissa before. We had done some work on a condo that she lived in. So when she called me and said she bought a house and asked if I wanted to help out with it, I was like, yes. I have to say, no joke, this was hands down one of the worst houses I had ever seen in my entire life. We had cockroaches, we had spiders, we had mice, I think we had raccoons. So we had it all, and it was disgusting, and I could barely walk in here during construction, but that's what makes this all much better because it's all cleaned up and beautiful. As this was my client's very first home purchase, we had a super tight budget. I promised her we would stick to it. That is why we chose a very inexpensive subway tile. A great tip though, even if you're using an inexpensive product, is to be bold with it. So what we did here is we went all the way to the ceiling, all the way across that window wall, and it actually adds such huge impact to the space without being, I don't know, in your face. And it also really balances the brick, which is on the other side. Our palette really started with this flooring. It's from Purparket, and it's this lovely matte oiled oak. Then we knew building from that we wanted to have the white and the fresh, and so we went to my go-to Ikea, and we've got these beautiful cabinets. It looks completely custom. She's got a ton of storage. It's perfect. Because we had the great savings on the Ikea cabinetry, we could splurge a little bit on the hardware. I always say every room needs a little bit of sparkle. So we got this gorgeous gold pull and some knobs from Ginger's, and they just really elevate the space and it feels completely custom. One of my favorite things in this kitchen, hands down, are these pendants over the island. They're light, they're breezy, tiny bit beachy. Because they're oversized, they have this huge impact, especially when you walk right into the room. It sets the tone for the whole kitchen. I love them. When I first came to see this kitchen, it actually had a window behind me where the fridge is. Now, normally I wouldn't say to take out a window because you want the natural light, but in this case, we had to because it would have completely changed the way that she could use her space. But by taking it out, she got a ton of pantry storage, she got a full height and width fridge, and a nice little prep area on the other side. Isn't this cute? One of my favorite things to do is to use something unexpected, and this art with pizza is like, I'm obsessed with it. This photography is my favorite thing ever. Obviously, we didn't just renovate the kitchen in this house, we also did the bathroom, which turned out beautifully. It had a couple of surprises as well, and I can't wait to show you it. It's not gonna be in this video, but stay tuned for it. It's gonna be coming soon.